Hello everyone, welcome to another series of To The Point and I am Sonali Chopra. Today's topic of discussion is Sowa Rigpa. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. Recently, a 2-day national workshop on Sowa Rigpa for the Sowa Rigpa practitioners from northeastern states was organized on 20th and 21st May 2022. It was organized by the National Institute of Sowa Rigpa Leh in collaboration with Namgyal Institute of Tibetology, that is NIT Sikkim. Now let's discuss about Sowa Rigpa. Sowa Rigpa is a traditional medical system of the Himalayan belt in India. It is one of the oldest surviving and well-documented medical traditions of the world. Sowa Rigpa originated in India 2500 years ago and later developed in the Trans-Himalayan region. It was conceived and propounded by Lord Buddha. The term Sowa Rigpa is derived from the Bhoti language, which means knowledge of healing. It is commonly known as the Amchi system of medicine. Yuthog Yonten Gonpo from Tibet is believed to be the father of Sowa Rigpa. Now let's have a look at the fundamental principles of Sowa Rigpa. The majority of theory and practice of Sowa Rigpa is similar to Ayurveda. Its fundamental principles, Jangvana, that is Panch Mahabhuta, and Nespasam, that is Tridosh, are similar to Ayurveda. According to Sowa Rigpa, health is an equation of balance of Tridosh and 5 cosmophysical energies, that is Panch Mahabhuta. Now let's understand where is it practiced. In India, it is practiced in Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Darjeeling, West Bengal, Himachal Pradesh, Union Territory of Ladakh, and numerous Tibetan settlements in India. Countries such as Nepal, Bhutan, Mongolia, Tibet, China, Russia, and parts of Central Asia also practice Sowa Rigpa. It is acknowledged as a traditional medical system by the governments of India, Bhutan, Mongolia, and Tibet. Now let's discuss about National Institute for Sowa Rigpa, that is NISR. It is an autonomous national institute under the Ministry of Ayush. NISR, located in Leh, acts as an apex institute for the Sowa Rigpa system. It aims for preservation, promotion, and development of Sowa Rigpa as a model institute, evolving high standards of teaching, training, research, and patient care. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements with reference to the Sowa Rigpa. 1. The term Sowa Rigpa is derived from the Bhoti language, which means knowledge of healing. 2. The theory and practice of Sowa Rigpa is similar to Ayurveda. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.